How do you find a job there? My experience is going to be very different to a lot of people who are probably watching this. The average person who comes here for work has either, I guess, been headhunted, or they've changed their role within a company that they already work with, or they've looked online and seen opportunity. Now, a lot of people that come here with bigger companies, a lot of stuff will be covered for you. So you'll often be given your accommodation, you'll obviously be given a visa. Life is easy in comparison to setting up your own business. Sometimes you'll even be given a car, certainly a living allowance. So it's quite a smooth transition because a lot of the difficult stuff is kind of done for you, particularly in regards to the visa. However, if you're looking to move over here to either set up your own business like I did or self-employed, it's a very different ball game. And I would say that has been the biggest struggle for me when I came to Dubai. And a lot of that comes down to the fact that when you look online at the literature, I just found it really overwhelming and really stressful. I didn't know what route I had to go into. Over here in Dubai, I feel stressed. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a visa. I've only got 30 days here before I have to leave. So yeah, it was tough. Thankfully, found the most incredible company called Virtuzone, who pretty much did everything for me. So I went into their office. I told them exactly what I wanted, exactly what I needed covering, the fact that I needed things to be done really quickly. I spoke to a lovely lady called Sharon. If you are watching this, you are incredible, who pretty much took it all away and was like, I'm gonna sort this for you. And she gave me all the options. Options for me were either to become self-employed or to set up a business. Be able to take my career and my work and my business to the next level, I had to be legally covered, and there's something that's going to be released pretty soon which I needed to have a business to be able to legally license that. Is it expensive? I am not going to lie to you guys. Yes, it can be an expensive process to get a visa if you don't have a sponsor. And what I mean by that is if a company haven't sponsored you to come over here and you're thinking about moving to Dubai, it can be pretty expensive to get a visa, to set up a company. With that said, there's a few things. Number one, you are not paying tax, guys. So you're gonna make back that money so quickly. On top of that, there are so many options when it comes to getting your visa, setting up a company, whatever you wanna do. So pretend this is the expense scale, and I guess this is like the more expensive and this is the least expensive. The option that I went for sits about here, which is setting up your own business. It is one of the more expensive options, but if you're going for freelancer, which is the other option I was looking at, is kind of nearer here. So there is a vast array of options when it comes to setting it up, and there is a massive, massive difference in cost. Will I be here forever? Who knows, guys, ... I mean, there is some exciting stuff coming, which I really, really want to tell you about, but I can't tell you everything right now. But in a nutshell, I want to see more of the world. I want to experience more of the world, and I very much see Dubai as being my base. Dubai is pretty much in the middle of the world, right? Everything is more easily accessible, and yeah, I'm very excited for the future.